Okay, so let's have a look at the first adjustment for Kennedy 2019, ordinary level question 5, and it's looking at calculate the gross profit margin. So the first thing you need to do is you need to know the formula. So your formula for the gross profit margin is your gross profit divided by your sales multiplied by 100 over 1. So let's go and find those figures first. So the gross profit, we haven't been given it, but we know to calculate the gross profit, it's your sales figure of 650,000, take away your cost of sales figure of 345,000. Second figure we need is a sales figure, and we know that the sales figure in this question is 605,000. So we're going to fill that in first. Now we're going to go and find the figures that we need to calculate the gross profit. So we're going to need the sales figure of 605,000. And you're going to need the cost of sales figure of 345,000. So remember, to calculate your gross profit, it's your sales take away your cost of sales. So now we can fill this formula in. So 650,000 minus 345,000, and that's going to give us our gross profit figure. So our gross profit figure is 305,000. So now we have the two figures that we need to help us calculate the gross profit margin of your gross profit is 305,000 and your sales 650,000. So we're going to fill in the formula. 305,000, it's going to be divided by 650,000. So we're going to divide the 305,000 by the 650,000, and then we're going to multiply that then by 100. So remember, we have to go to two places of decimal, so the 3, so that it should be 46.92. So we multiply this by 100, we get 46.92. That's because the 3 is less than 5, so we're not going to round up the 2, so we're going to keep it as it is. So that means that for every €100 of sales, we got €46.92 is contributed to your gross profit. And that's calculating the gross profit margin for Kennedy 2019.